Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. We are going to be talking CKB in today's video. Before I get started though, I want to give a huge shout out to Crypto Airborne, who is hosting Rob from Digital Asset News on his channel for a live stream tonight at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will throw a link to this live stream in the comments section and pin it to the top. So if you're stumbling across this and want to check it out, I would highly recommend it. Rob is definitely has a huge presence in the crypto atmosphere. He does a lot of charts and current news that consists of pretty much everything crypto. So that is cool to have Rob and Crypto Airborne come together for a little collaboration on a live stream. So give these guys a follow on their social media, and let's get right into the TA, because it's not really a surprise to anyone that caught yesterday's video that we kind of rebounded back down towards this 0.018 level. Now we can see that currently right now we're at 0.019-ish, but we did come down, almost make it into the 0.018-ish level. I do think that there might be a little bit more room to the downside here, but on this 4-hour chart, we are looking good. And traditionally, I would say at this point, on a stock chart with a nice bull flag and a descending triangle, you know, this thing could really go either way. Obviously, I would like to see an ascending triangle or some sort of a symmetrical triangle pattern form versus the descending triangle. I do think that more often than not, the descending triangle will produce bearish results more than the ascending triangle or symmetrical triangle. So that is why. But how do we know which way this thing could go? And that is a good question. And one thing that we can do is turn to the RSI. And what we are trying to do is pick out maybe there's a pattern that will help warn us what price action or what volatility is going to do. And I think that we could all make the argument here that there could possibly be, notice how I said could be a falling wedge on the RSI. And this is a very bullish thing to see. So when I say that, I do think there's a little bit more room to the downside. This is what I'm kind of thinking. Maybe a bounce in RSI right off this 38 to 40 level and then out. And if this does come to fruition, we will see price action respond accordingly. And we are either going to come up and touch this 3-cent area, or my prediction is that we come up and kind of tangle with this 0.0274-ish level. So obviously price action could exceed all of these. Make sure you have your alarms set for price action. Like I was saying, I do think that November 4th or November 5th is going to be an important date for CKB price action. And I think that it's either going to be leaving the channel at this time, or we might be seeing it top off at this time. So that's kind of where I'm sitting at right now for price action on CKB. And there's really not a whole lot for me to say, because since yesterday's video, we are still trading sideways. The only thing new that we're introducing to this video is the fact that we can see a falling wedge on RSI, which is nice and bullish. So that's what I like, folks. I'm going to keep this video nice and short today. Big shout out to all the Patreons. I totally appreciate each and every single one of you. If you'd like to become a Patreon, it's $3 a month. Get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day wherever you are at in the world.